On our final day in Maguribeel, in Tinsukia in the state of Assam in India, we drove down to a village called Barekuri to see western Hulog gibbons. In the beginning of the trip, our guide Mr. Jeevan Datta had promised our group to show Hulog gibbons from close, and on the final day of the trip, he fulfilled his promise. It was approximately a drive of 30 minutes from Maguribeel to Barekuri, and once there, we walked a few steps to the spot where Hulog gibbons could possibly be sighted. And this is the sight that we were first greeted with: a male Hulog gibbon swinging from one branch to the other. The Hulog gibbon is the only ape species found in India, and the western Hulog gibbon that we saw in Barekuri are found in the northeast Indian states of Assam, Mizoram, and Meghalaya. For more than a century now, Barekuri has been home to Hulog gibbons who have coexisted with the villagers there without any conflict. Hulog gibbons are known to be strictly arboreal and do not come down to the forest floor. However, what we saw in Barekuri was exceptional. These wild gibbons occasionally descended from their canopies when the villagers called out to them with bananas or fruit. While we were there, a lady from the village held a banana and stretched out her hand and called out to the female gibbon that was close by. The gibbon cautiously slid down the tree, grabbed the banana from the outstretched hand, and with lightning speed ascended the tree. And stopped only when she found a suitable perch to enjoy her little treat. Over years, a mutual trust has been established between the apes and the villagers. At times, their faith is extended to outsiders too. Apart from these occasional treats, the gibbons also help themselves to fruit from the local orchards, which the villagers don't mind. It was clearly evident that these gibbons were used to human beings around and did not seem to be affected by photographers like us. However, they maintained their distance. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has classified the western Hulog gibbon as endangered. Rapid deforestation, loss of habitat, and even poaching have posed several challenges and is threatening the existence of these species in the wild. We spent a very short time in Barekuri, but it was easy to see that the village of Barekuri has become a safe haven for these wild Hulog gibbons. Though the villagers do not interfere with them in any way, but at the same time, the well-being of the gibbons is a concern of the village as a whole. Perhaps healthy coexistence of man with apes is the way ahead to keep the species alive for many more years to come.